Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chanelly767. Hope everybody is doing well. Welcome back to another series of Makeup Artist Advisory by Chanelly767. On today's episode, we're going to learn everything about foundation application. Just a disclaimer, everything that I mentioned under this series is my personal experience, and I just want to share with you, especially if you're upcoming makeup artist getting from point A to success. So I did my brows already. If you're interested in how to do a brow, the tutorial is in the time card on top. Just click on it, it will take you direct to the video. Now the lashes that I have on is from MAC, and I have it for a while now, and it's very neutral lash, and it's from MAC, and this is A29 from MAC. And sorry about my nails. So this is the lashes I have on. It's very natural. And then I just want to say, if you hear any noise in the background, it's the middle of the day, they're doing some building, so I do apologize if you're hearing a lot of welding and building in the video. Now the eyeshadow that I have on is from Plain in Makeup by Yolando. I do a video of my first impression and my review about this eyeshadow palette. Just click on the time card on top, it will take you direct to the video. And then the eyeshadow that I use today to create this look is very simple, like a everyday smoky look. I use OO and then Expensive, and this is the eyeshadow palette that I use. Very beautiful. I'm always in it. I find those eyeshadows are very there's a lot of eyeshadow in there. I'm using this eyeshadow palette a lot, and it's still full. So now that we get that out of the way, now we're going to do our foundation routine. So first, I prime my lips. I like priming my lips. So then I moisturize my face with my Clinique. I have this for a while now. Well, basically I've been using Clinique for a very long time. And I did get a question on Reddit. I purchased Clinique. You can purchase it if you want at Pennywise. They do sell Clinique at Pennywise. And also you can purchase it at their store, online store, or in the mall. So how I purchased it, I went to New York and I get it. That's how I end up getting it. But however, I did see that they have Clinique at Pennywise. So I moisturize. Then after I moisturize, I still use my primer. The primer that I'm using is from Murphy. I do apologize about my nails. And this is the foundation primer. You always need a good primer for your face. Get that much. It's very clear. I would like to apply it where I dry a lot. And my forehead, and like this. That is my primer. So I have my primer on my face. I have my primer on my lips. I moisturize. Now it's time for your foundation. Now foundation comes in different size, different shape, different bottle. Let's go into the foundation. So the foundation that I'm using, I do apologize, the foundation I'm using is from Revlon, and this one is 24-hour 400 caramel for normal to dry skin. Great, I like that. And yeah, that's the foundation that I use. I pump at the back of my hand, 2 pumps like this. Then I'm taking my Juvia's Place foundation brush. I remember when this brush was popping when it just come out. So I just slide, and then I tap in my foundation. Now it's always good to tap in your foundation so it can get a perfect blend. Some more, swipe, 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 and then blend in that foundation. Work that foundation in your skin. I like this brush because you can go underneath your eyes like so. Work in that foundation, guys. Work in that foundation. Right? Then taking more from the hand, and then you're doing the forehead area. So you see where that light area is right there. We do not want that, so I get a little bit more. I take a smaller brush and then I just go over that area so it can blend. Alright, you seeing blend, that's what we want, and we keep on tapping the area all over. Blending, blending. It's all about blending, guys. Perfect blend. Get the neck. With the eye. And that is it. That is how I apply my foundation. I don't swipe like this. No, you tap, you slide in your foundation, or sometimes you can just use a smaller brush, slide in your foundation. Some people, they use their finger to get the foundation and they tap it, and then they start blending. And when you're blending, you tap in the foundation to get that perfect blend. Just tap all over. And the reason why I don't go underneath the eyes so much is because I'm about to apply my concealer, my highlights, and so much more, but that is going to be in a different video. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. Alright, so that is it on today's video. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions pertaining to today's video, or any questions at all under the series, please let me know down in the comment section. Until the next time, keep it locked.